So there's two methods that we can solve this one. The first one is using the up-down method, or the second one is using the substitution method. Now I see in this problem that 0, 0 is a solution. It's in the shaded area. So the substitution method is probably going to be one of the better ways. So I'll do both methods though. So using the substitution method, I want to choose a point in the shaded area. So 0, 0 is the easiest. And if I plug that in, I'm going to get, this just start off with A. If I plug in 0 for y and 0 for x, I get 0 is less than negative 3. So that's false. So automatically I can eliminate this. So same thing with C, that one is also 0 is less than negative 3, so that doesn't work. So we know it's either B or D. And if I try that one, I get 0 is greater than negative 3, which is true. But remember, for it to be a solution to the system, it has to work for both equations. So now let's go ahead and try the second one. And remember, we're plugging in 0 for x and y, since that is a solution according to this graph. So plugging it into the second one, I get 0 for y is less than 2 times 0 plus 1. And so I get 0 is less than, well, this is just 0 here. So 0 plus 1 is 1. And 0 is less than 1. So it works for the first one, it works for the second one. That means B is our solution. The other method we could use is just if we ever notice that our y's are by itself. So the y is on the left side by itself. Then the fastest way actually we can do this then is using the up and down method, because if it's y is greater than, that means it's above the line. If y is less than, that means it's below the line. So let's take a look at this one then. I want y is greater. So if I look at this first line, this is the horizontal line, that's the y, the first one. I can see it's shaded above the line. If I go upwards, I'm in the shaded area. So I know it's greater than that one. And the second equation, well, if I look at this one, if I go directly up, well, that's not in the shaded area, so that's not the solutions. My solutions for the second one are down from this. So we have to go exactly up and exactly down. I see since the first one is up, which is greater than, the second one is down, which is less than, then what do we get is again B, which has the first one, which shows that the first one is greater than and the second one is less than. So that one is our answer.